How to delete comments on Instagram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device, and if you have got multiple accounts, then make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the home page or the newsfeed of Instagram like this. So in order to delete the comment, you need to first go to the post where you want to delete the comment. For that, you can tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner, and you'll be able to see all of your posts over here. You have to select the post. After selecting, you have to tap on the comments option right next to the heart and expand the comments that people had commented, and you'll be able to see all of the comments over here. So in order to delete the comment, you have to press and hold the comment, and you'll be able to see the options in the right upper corner. You have to simply tap on delete option and the comment will be deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete comments on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. If you need any tutorial videos, then don't forget to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.